Are you searching for the best stand mixers? In this video, I'll share my top 5 best stand mixers recommendations, backed by personal experience and extensive research. For additional details and up-to-date pricing, please visit the links in the description below. Number 5. Kitchenaid Stand Mixer. The Precision Master is a 5.5 quart stand mixer from a trusted brand. Kitchenaid makes one of our favorite food processors, and with an attractive price point to boot. Out of the box, it was pleasingly strong, but the 12-speed, 500-watt engine didn't quite live up to its potential in testing, and the batter snare battled to consolidate flour at the edges of the bowl into hollow dough. Number 4. Smeg Stand Mixer. When it comes to Smeg's 50s retro kitchen appliances, the common question is, they look great, but do they perform well? For the Smeg 10-speed stand mixer, the answer is a confident yes. This mixer is a well-constructed machine with a 600-watt motor that handled all our mixing, kneading, and whipping tests with ease. Performance and comparisons. Despite its solid performance, the Smeg stand mixer doesn't outperform competitors like the Breville or KitchenAid mixers, though it does come with a higher price tag. During our testing, it tended to jump around more than the Breville and KitchenAid when kneading dense bread dough. Additionally, the available attachments for the Smeg are more limited compared to the extensive range offered by KitchenAid. Style and function. Smeg appliances are known for their distinctive 50s retro design, making them a choice often driven by aesthetic preference as much as functionality. If you're drawn to this unique style and don't plan on making bread every day, the Smeg 10-speed stand mixer remains a solid option. In conclusion, the Smeg 10-speed stand mixer combines eye-catching design with reliable performance. While it may not surpass the capabilities of Breville or KitchenAid mixers and has fewer attachment options, its 600-watt motor and stylish appearance make it a worthwhile choice for those who value form alongside function. Number 3. Bosch Universal Plus Mixer. When we first encountered the Bosch Universal Plus Mixer in a cooking demo video, we were both intrigued and a bit puzzled. After thorough testing, our feelings remain mixed. It's not that the Bosch is a bad machine, far from it, but it operates quite differently from any other mixer we've tested. Essentially, it's a mechanical base for various small kitchen appliances, with its main component being a large plastic mixing bowl featuring a motor shaft running through the center. Versatility and functionality. One of the standout features of the Bosch Universal Plus mixer is its high-speed drive, which powers optional attachments like a blender, juicer, meat grinder, and slicer/shredder. The included mixing attachments are dual-sided, with double whisks and a dough tool with 2 hooks that spin on the central shaft. Once we familiarized ourselves with which tools to use for specific tasks, the Bosch performed admirably in all our tests. However, we encountered a challenge when adding dry ingredients to an active mix. With the necessary splash guard in place, it was tricky to prevent some ingredients from landing on the motor shaft. Capacity and power. The Bosch Universal Plus mixer boasts a large 6.5 quart bowl and a powerful 500-watt motor. Surprisingly, it has only 4 speeds, plus a pulse option. Despite this, the limited speed options were sufficient for all our tasks. Design and storage. For those with limited space who prefer a modular approach to kitchen appliances, this mixer could be a great fit once you overcome the initial learning curve. It does have a large footprint but can be stored in a cabinet, which is convenient given that it lacks the aesthetic appeal of a traditional stand mixer. In conclusion, the Bosch Universal Plus mixer is a versatile and powerful machine that may take some getting used to. Its modular design and variety of compatible attachments make it a practical choice for those looking to consolidate kitchen appliances, but its unique operation and design quirks may not appeal to everyone. Number 2. Instant Pot Instant Stand Mixer Pro 600W 10-speed electric mixer. The Instant Stand Mixer Pro from the maker of the Instant Pot, left us mostly impressed with its performance. Despite being lightweight, it feels very stable due to suction cups on the base. Its 7.4-quart mixing bowl boasts the largest capacity among stand mixers in its price range, making it ideal for handling large batches. Features and usability. This mixer offers 10 digitally controlled speeds and a user-friendly count-up/count-down timer with a pause button. The accessory port is compatible with Instant's pasta roller, meat grinder, and slicer/shredder, all sold separately. One notable feature is the minimal pouring shield, which attaches to the motor head rather than the bowl, enhancing ease of use. Points of consideration. However, the 7.4-quart bowl can feel excessively large for smaller baking projects. Additionally, we were not impressed with the included beater blade, which felt somewhat flimsy. Unfortunately, there isn't an upgrade option available at this time. Summary. Overall, the Instant Stand Mixer Pro is a solid choice for those needing a high-capacity mixer with versatile attachments, but it may not be the best fit for smaller baking tasks. Number 1. Kitchenaid Artisan Series 5-Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. For many baking enthusiasts, the Kitchenaid Stand Mixer is the gold standard. Its reputation as a reliable, durable workhorse often sees it passed down through generations. If you're set on owning a Kitchenaid and primarily bake cakes, pie crusts, cookies, and other non-bread items, we highly recommend the Artisan 5-Quart Tilt Head Mixer. The perfect balance. Among Kitchenaid mixers, the Artisan strikes the ideal balance. The 3.5-quart Artisan Mini is too small for large batches, while the professional line's larger mixers are often overkill for everyday baking. The Artisan's 5-quart bowl is perfectly sized for bigger batches of batter. Although it's not the top choice for bread dough, its 325-watt motor can knead dough far better than you could by hand, and it operates relatively quietly. The head may rattle with dense doughs, but unlike less sturdy mixers, it stays firmly on the counter during use. Despite its power, the Artisan maintains a slim profile and features an accessory port compatible with various Kitchenaid attachments like a meat grinder, pasta press, and ice cream maker. Design and usability. The Kitchenaid paddles are robust and easy to clean, with minimal crevices for ingredients to get stuck. This model comes in over 20 color options, though availability and price can vary based on the color and retailer. Points of consideration. However, there are a few downsides. The price has increased significantly, with the current suggested retail price at $450. It also lacks some convenient features found in our top pick, the Breville Bakery Chef. For example, the Flex Edge/paddle scraper beater blade should ideally be included with the purchase. Specifications at a glance. Style: tilt head stand mixer. Bowl capacity: 5-quart stainless steel bowl. Speed settings: 10. Motor wattage: 325 watts. Included attachments/accessories: mixing bowl, coated flat beater, coated dough hook, whisk, pouring shield. Warranty: 1 year. The Kitchenaid Artisan 5-quart tilt head mixer remains a versatile and reliable choice for home bakers, balancing power, capacity, and a slim design with the flexibility of numerous attachments.